How's it going, guys? This is Compressed Time Customs. It's been a while since I have uploaded a video. We're just getting done with this 4x4, and we're actually the Jeep. We did a little custom bumper, rims, rails, and so we're trying to put the flares now, and we needed a rivet, the rivet nuts. So we had to get this tool, Astro 1442, and it usually comes with different kind of sizes for the rivets. It comes with a bunch of packs with different sizes, and it's better. It's more legit, more quality, and just to make it look more good. Let me show you the top of the box. And we bought some extra rivets for M6. And we got them from Amazon. So Prime, we got them one night delivery, 1 day delivery, and they saved our life. So we're over here trying to put all these rivets. And the way you put them, you open this up. Of course, I changed it to M6, 6mm. And so you open this up. You already have the holes that go on the original flares or the fenders. And so now we're gonna put this rivet in here, all the way in, and we're gonna put on the hole. We're gonna close, and we're gonna open again, and we're gonna take out the screw that usually opens up in the inside, and that's the way it goes. So instead of like a rivet that stays there forever, that you gotta drill them out when you take them out, it's like a screw. So we have the screws to it for the flares, and it's so easy, so professional. And that's what we're trying to do with our work, trying to do professionalism. So, okay guys, I'm gonna show you again one more time so you guys could have it in your working book. So here we go again. We put the rivet first, tighten it up as much as you can, and put it in there. We squeeze, we open back up, and we take out the screw. And that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe, and just any stuff that you guys want me to do, maybe that you want to learn, maybe send me a comment or a message, and I'll try to do it for you guys so you guys can learn. Thank you, guys.